Check this out. Check out this verse before you go, right? This is, again, in the Bible. According to John, the Gospel of John, Christian
Right.
Bible, Jesus said, "But now you seek to kill me, a man who has told you the truth that I have heard from God." So Jesus is saying, I'm a man who heard from God. He doesn't say I am God. He doesn't say
No,
I'm the
he never called himself God. The people did.
There you go.
That's
So
what I'm trying to tell you.
I agree with you then, right?
Now, let me ask you something.
Go ahead.
True or false? Mary Magdalene and Jesus, married and with kid or no?
So I've read both ways, and I have seen many authors who are researchers say that he was married with a kid, right? I don't know that to be a fact or not because it's not in our Holy Scripture. From what I
That
know,
is correct. It's not in there.
there you go.
But they did a DNA sample on those
Nice.
old tissues.
Wow. What did they find?
He was married and had a kid.
Interesting. I'll
Two,
have
to be honest.
2 kids? Nice. I got 2 more than him then.